explain ko lang talaga siya in layman's term. Ano ba yung ginagawa ng ageLOC? ageLOC targets the ultimate source of aging. Siguro to better give you an idea, are we all, syempre lahat tayo may cellphones, tama?
Yes.
Di ba sa cellphone industry, nauna talaga yung Motorola?
Yes.
Diba? Huge phones. Pero when Nokia came, they offered way better cellphones. Would you agree?
Yes.
Diba? Parang may camera phone na. Would have thought darating yung type ng telepono may camera na, diba? Tapos, very user-friendly na. Ang daling i-navigate, yung mga ganun. Pero when Apple came, they totally changed the game. Tama?
Yes.
Parang who would have thought darating yung time, even actually not just cellphones, pati sa mga, sa laptops, iPads, di ba? Napakalaki ng mga computers before. Ngayon, isang maliit na lang na ganyan, everything is there na, and it actually runs like that of a computer na. Pati yung ano, di ba? Yung iPod. Who would have thought darating yung time na ma-phase out totally yung mga cassette tapes. Tapos yung mga bilog before, wala na siya, di ba? Tapos you can store thousands of songs in just one mini gadget, di ba? Nakakatuwa yung Apple kasi they're not the first in the cellphone industry and they're not the only one offering cellphones. Pero they're offering something very innovative. Siguro to compare that with ageLOC. ageLOC, Nu Skin, it's not the first in the anti-aging industry and definitely not the only one offering anti-aging products. Pero just like Apple, we're taking anti-aging to a much higher level.
Yes.
Sabi nga nila, you can call something daw anti-aging if it doesn't even touches the genes. So ano siya you said kanina nagpapa-facial. What treatments have you tried? Facial lang talaga. Diamond peeling, have you tried? Nakapag-diamond peel na rin. Ano siya guys, most treatments available outside, they just really target the signs. Most treatments talaga are just band-aid treatments. For example, diamond peeling, it's supposed to make you parang mas makinis, di ba? Parang to remove the dead skin cells, yung ganon. Yun nga lang, kasi may different types of diamond peel. May mga diamond peeling that the derma would advise you not to expose yourself sa sun after. Why do they do that? They do that kasi pag na-expose ka sa sun, mamumula ka. Bakit ka mamumula? Kasi hindi lang talaga yung dead skin cells yung natatanggal. But yung outer layer ng skin mo, sometimes it also got stripped away. Kaya parang pati yung outer layer, yung protection talaga ng skin mo, na wala na. So parang dapat magbigay ka muna ng time to heal it before ka ma-expose sa sun. That's what they do Yun nga lang, problem with most people na madalas nagpapa-diamond peeling talaga, yung sobrang nipis na ng mukha, yung medyo kita na yung mga veins. What else? Are you all familiar with Botox?
Yes.
Botox, di ba? Botox, it's just injection ng botulinum toxin. What does it do? It actually paralyzes your muscle on that area. Para when you laugh, walang wrinkles. Yun nga lang, whether you're happy, whether you're sad, it has the same facial expression. Parang, ano talaga, meron nga lang mga cases with Botox na pagka na-paralyze yung nerve ending, it gets paralyzed forever. Tapos, yung iba, kilat na talaga forever. Ganun lang talaga siya. Tapos, the thing with Botox is, it's expensive, but you still have to take every 6 months. You still parang the gamot only lasts for just 6 months So, if it starts getting wrinkles, parang wrinkly again, you have to make another injection, and then another injection, and then another injection. Familiar po sa facelift? Surgical facelift?
Yes.
Surgical facelift, they cut the excess skin. Pag nagsasag, they cut the excess skin, baba natin, tatayin. But what did it do? Binatat lang talaga yung skin, but it really didn't change the quality of the skin. Ganun pa rin yung quality ng skin. Ang kaso, one surgical facelift is not forever. It doesn't guarantee na hindi ka na magre-wrinkles. So, ang gagawin is baba natin na naman, tatayin, hanggang mukha ka ng retok. Yung hindi na talaga, you don't look like yourself at all.
Natural.
Pag dininin mo yung baby pic mo, tsaka ikaw, hindi ka mukhang baby.
Wala.
Mukha ka lang talagang retokada. Parang ganun siya, parang binanat lang talaga yung skin. What else? Meron din kayo narinig yung mga collagen injection.
Yes.
Pag nagsasag, nilalagyan ng fillers.